Hello, in this video we will compare the voltage of light bulbs connected in series. So I'll start with a battery. I'm just going to turn it around so the positive side faces on that side, and some wire and one light bulb. And we're going to measure the voltage over the light bulb and over the battery. So if I select the voltmeter, and keeping in mind that that is the negative end of the battery, so that is the negative end of the light bulb, that is the positive end of the battery, so that's the positive end of the light bulb. So I connect the red lead, which is positive, to the positive end, and the black lead to the negative end. So the voltage across the light bulb is 9 volts, and the voltage across the battery is also 9 volts. Now, if I built a very similar circuit, this time having 2 light bulbs in series instead of 1, the first thing I'm going to notice is that these 2 light bulbs are not as bright as the 1 light bulb. Now, this will make sense when we start reading the voltage over the light bulbs. So if I read the voltage over the first light bulb, I will see that it's 4.5 volts. And the voltage over the second light bulb is also 4.5 volts. If I compare this to the voltage over the battery, I will discover that the voltage over the battery is 9 volts. So 4.5 plus 4.5 is 9, which means that the 2 light bulbs split the 9 volt voltage between them. So light bulbs in series divides up the voltage. Here you can see that the 9 volts is divided into 4.5 volts and 4.5 volts. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to build a circuit with 3 light bulbs in series. Already, if we look at the 3 light bulbs in series, they're not as bright as the 2 light bulbs in series or the 1 light bulb in series. The voltage of the battery hasn't changed because it will still be 9 volts. But if I compare the voltage over each light bulb, this has changed because now the first light bulb is 3 volts, the second light bulb is 3 volts, and the third light bulb is also 3 volts. So what has happened? The 3 light bulbs in series has divided up the 9 volts of voltage that was created by the battery equally amongst the 3. If the light bulbs are identical, then 9 volts will be divided up equally so that each light bulb has 3 volts. But if they were not identical light bulbs, this would not be the case. However, the voltage of the 3 light bulbs, no matter what they are, when added together, they would still come to a total of 9 volts. So the voltage of the battery is divided between the 3 light bulbs in series. This might not be the case when the light bulbs are in parallel, but it certainly holds true when they are in series. Thank you.